Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize your trial benefits by taking advantage of trial-to-paid migration deals that extend your free access, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Research services that offer extended trial periods or additional free months when you commit to transitioning to a paid plan after your initial trial ends. Step 2. Start your initial free trial with the service by creating an account and providing payment information as required for standard trial activation. Step 3. During your trial period, watch for promotional emails or in-app notifications announcing special offers for trial users who convert to paid subscriptions before the trial expires. Step 4. Look for offers that provide additional free months or significant discounts when you commit to a paid plan during the trial period, rather than waiting until the trial ends. Step 5. Evaluate the migration deal carefully to understand the total value, including how many additional free months you'll receive and what the long-term cost will be after all promotional periods expire. Step 6. If the deal is attractive, click Upgrade Now or Subscribe within the promotional notification or email to accept the trial-to-paid migration offer before it expires. Step 7. Confirm your subscription upgrade, which will typically extend your free access period before charging begins, giving you more time to evaluate the service at no cost. Step 8. Set a new reminder for when your extended trial period ends to decide whether to continue with the paid subscription or cancel before charges begin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.